Okay, pack game 15, 2D car runner. Here is the int main header files are defined here. Here I have defined width for the border is 30, height 20, and the car size. Here is a game variables declared here. Next I have started the main function. Here many of the void is used. To repeat the program I have used for loop. It will repeat and repeat the program. Inside that if else is given. Here is the abstract of the car. The car movement code is here. The screen will be clear because of this function. The handling, after that how we are handling the car is by this code I have run. Now we can see the code running. Okay, while I have do A, it will come left, D right. Now I have plugged. The score is 5 and thank you for playing. The game will be over. Thank you.